Burning bush, you had a good run. It's time to retire.
It's a popular shrub in the eastern United States. Nurseries have made millions off of it, but why don't we grow it anymore? Because its negative impacts on the surrounding ecosystem. Euonymus alatus is native to Eastern Asia, turning bright red in fall, and its hedging form make it a popular landscape choice. This plant has no natural predators in the region. Nothing will eat it. So what's the big problem?
Since nothing eats it, once it escapes our yards, it can outcompete native plants and things we care about.
The Euonymus family as a whole is highly invasive to our natural areas, with only one native species of it present in Wisconsin, helping turn once vibrant ecosystems into ecological deserts. Is that worth bright red color for a few weeks each year? We don't think so, and because of that, we no longer grow burning bush.
Instead, we grow natives that have just as much fall color, but also, here's the important thing, contribute to the ecosystem.
Chokeberry gives you brilliant red fall color while also giving a spring flower for pollinators. Hazelnut has vibrant fall colors and nutrient-rich nuts in late summer. It can also hedge well to provide privacy. Black Haw viburnum hedges well, has a spring flower, and its berries are highly sought after by songbirds. We prioritize native species because all the benefits they provide. Burning bush doesn't have to be your first choice for fall color. On our website, we have even more alternatives you can pick from for your yard.